the ingredients that I will be using in making this baked chicken cavatappi pasta. Here I have some chicken. This is the one I'm going to be using. It's the pulled rotisserie chicken. It's the same thing as buying the rotisserie chicken, but nobody has time to be shredding. And that's what I love about this one, is that it's already pulled and ready to go. And it's only like $6. And then you can use any type of cheese. You can use cheddar cheese, Parmesan cheese. But this is the cheese that I have on hand, so this is the one I'll be using. Then I'm also going to be using this roasted garlic Parmesan. I'm more of a white sauce person, but you can use Alfredo sauce, red sauce, whichever you prefer. And in case I need extra sauce, I bought this smaller Alfredo sauce. You also need some sun-dried tomatoes. And then this is the cavatappi pasta. It's also known as a corkscrew pasta. But again, you can use any pasta of your choice. Once your water has come to a boil, you want to add in the pasta. And then I'm going to let that cook for about 12 minutes. This is what the rotisserie chicken looks like. I'm going to break it apart a little bit more. I'm going to fry it on the pan just for a little bit before I add it into the pasta. Alright, this is what our pasta looks like. It's ready to be taken out and drained. Alright, this is what the chicken is looking like. Just getting it a little toasted, a little heated. Here I have the pan I'm going to be using. It's just easier to pick up. I'm going to lightly coat it with some cooking spray. Okay, I'm going to add in the pasta. Just want to kind of spread it out. Then I like to do everything in layers. Just pour a little bit of that. And a handful of cheese on top. Add in some chicken. And I'm going to mix that up. The tomatoes, these are the sun-dried tomatoes. And you want to mix up everything. You can already see the cheese is starting to melt. And then I'm going to go in again with more sauce. More cheese. More tomatoes. And I'm adding some more chicken. And keep mixing it, and I'm going to keep doing this until I'm ready to pop it into the oven. This is what it looks like. I'm about to pop it into the oven at 375. 40 minutes later, and here we will have it. It smells so good, you guys. Look at that. It's nicely melted. You can see some chicken, some tomato, the sauce. I also sprinkled some garlic salt just on top. Alright, here is the final product. We got our pasta here. Then I paired it with some garlic bread and then some salad on the side.